Okay, buddy, you should be safe in there. Bye. Come on, Cookie, let's get you in. You'll be safe, don't worry. Okay, guys, let's get you in. Okay, girls, we have a serious situation here. The foals are out there in that storm all alone with no one but themselves. They're not that old enough. Relax, Beauty. They'll be fine. Oh, I hope so. I'm with you girls too. It is very strange having the foals all there alone. And with that naughty cat Citrus too. See, Michelle? Everyone's afraid of having their poor foals and they're all alone. Well, you know, first of all, that the owners of this barn, the humans, wouldn't put them in that barn if it weren't safe. Yeah, I guess you're right. Ow! What was that? I don't know. It better not have been Citrus. Okay, I don't really care anymore. I'm going to find and see my foal. Beauty! Mommy! Hello, Beauty. You can't do this. Listen, it's storming. Listen, I know it's storming. I just am so worried about you being out here alone. Mom, we're fine. They wouldn't put us in here if we weren't old enough. Oh, that's what everyone keeps saying. Okay, bye. Oh no, I'm stuck in mud. Help! Someone! Mares! Stallions! Somebody! Help me! I'm stuck in mud! No! Let me go see what that was. Ah, wonderful. I'm free. Hey, Beauty. Why are you panting? Because, well, I'll tell you later. Go to sleep now. There's no one here. Oh, I guess we have a ghost horse. Listen, the only reason I left last night was because I heard some whinnying. That's strange. Did one of the horses need something? Well, that's just the fact. I couldn't find anybody out here. That's odd. I know. Yeah, maybe we should just get the horses out to graze. All right. Come on. So, guys, it's Beauty speaking. I just wanted to say that last night you might have heard lots of whinnying. That was me, because I really wanted to get out and check on the foals. And then I got stuck in mud. And just as Raina came out to get me, I escaped from the mud. So I'm not a ghost horse. So, you happy? Yes! All right! Woo woo! Ah! Okay, well, just wanted to say that. And hopefully Citrus learned her lesson, not to spook any horses. Yeah, okay. Woo!